Take a look at this mountain. Where do you think that those big boulders came from? The weathering process has made rocks on the top of this mountain to break down. This happens for different reasons, but mainly because of the constant change in temperature and the action of water. In the following example, we will clearly see what happens in this destructive process. We are going to demonstrate how weathering occurs through temperature changes using a simple model. First, we will fill a plastic bottle filled with water. Then, we will put it in the freezer. After 24 hours, we take out the water bottle and observe what changes have occurred. A decrease in temperature changes the water's physical state from liquid to solid water or ice. Water in the interior of the bottle has been exposed to temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. Don't forget that the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So if we cool water below 0, it will freeze and change its physical state. When changing its state from liquid to solid, water expands, occupying more volume or space. For this reason, the ice breaks the plastic bottle, making cracks, as you can see here. The same way the bottle breaks when the water freezes, weathering breaks rocks into smaller pieces called sediments. When water coming from precipitation gets inside the cracks in rocks, it freezes due to the changes in temperature. Water changes into ice and expands, causing rocks to break. So I decided to go on a journey to find examples of weathering, erosion, and deposition. I got all my gear ready and decided to go and explore our beautiful state of Texas. So I left Dallas and traveled to my first stop, Galveston.
Earth is constantly changing. As you can see, the ocean is changing right now. The sand beach right here. Here we have an example of weathering, like we said. The water comes and hits the sandbank, and it breaks it down. As you can see, these are pieces that are coming from down up here, going down here. What's that process called? Good job, weathering. Okay, whoa. Yes, water. It's breaking down this sandbank right here. It's just like you have sharp cliffs that over many, many, many years, they are weathered and broken down. So sharp cliffs start to be rounded over the process of many, many, many years. Look at this process right here. Here we have, whoa! I didn't touch it. Came down, not by my force, my strength, but because of the water. The waves come constantly and hit it, and it's being weathered. Then the water will take it away. It will take it away. That process is called erosion. What's erosion? Well, erosion is the movement of sediments. Movement of sediments from point A to point B. Okay? We have different mechanisms of moving sand and sediment. One of them is wind. Whoa! And one of them is water. see that it's grayish? Why is it grayish? Yeah, you're right. It's gray because it has sand particles. See the sand in my hand? Let's see what happens when it's no longer in my hand. Look. Whoa! Where did it go? Yes, it blew away. But who blew it away? I didn't blow it away. Well, the wind blew it away. Remember, wind is caused by the sun. Whoa! As you can see, we have a bit more of weathering down there, and it's gonna be pretty wet. Pretty interesting. Yes.
Erosion is a destructive force. Erosion is the process of taking sediments from one place to another place through certain agents of erosion, such as water, wind, glaciers, and gravity. Rain, or running water, erodes easily new soil or sand. Water from the ocean erodes sand, forming beaches. Here in Galveston, we could see that waves take away sand constantly. Murky seawater in this beach shows that the sea is moving sand from one place to another in the process called erosion. Wind erodes sand, forming sand dunes.
Take a look at those sand dunes over there.
Wind, another agent of erosion, is taking sand away from the coastline and depositing it in other places in the shape of mounds called sand dunes.
That was a fast run, right? Hey, as you can see, we have sand dunes. Sand dune. And this is sand that is being carried away, eroded by the wind, and being deposited, as you can see right here. Okay? Here we have sand.
The Great Canyon was formed because of erosion of the Colorado River during millions of years. So I decided to go down to Big Bend National Park, right down on the border with Mexico, to explore a canyon here in Texas.
Okay, so we've been studying about landforms and different landforms. And who can tell me what type of landform is this? Yes, it is a canyon, and we are here at the St. Helena Canyon over here at Big Bend in southwest Texas. And today we're going to be learning a bit about how this canyon was formed. We're going to be reviewing the concepts of erosion, weathering, and deposition.